Slippery slip. That was such a stupid idea. Okay, fueled up, ready to rumble. So this is free day. We are going to Hans' summer cabin. He has some things he has to fix there. After that, I think I can clean the bike at Hans' place, so that's really nice. So first we're gonna take some drone shots on the way there on Hans. That's good for me as well. I haven't tried the drone for a year now, so see if it works. Should not be any problem. We are going to a road where there is not a lot of houses. Oops, losing the back wheel. After the day I could clean the bike in Hans' garage. That was really nice and really important. Everything I touched was so salty and dirty. And yeah, I could clean up my bags as well, so really nice. After that I just relaxed during the evening and read some motor magazine. And look, here is me in the next issue of Album MC. Funny. På återseende. So my studs took a lot of damage actually on the drive up north there on the tarmac. I have 100 extra. I think I'm gonna save them till we have proper ice roads. Well, the good part is it's not cold at least. Huge difference from when I was driving up here. It was minus 24 in the ending. Now it's like plus 3 Celsius, I think. Slippery slip. Beautiful place though. So, fueled up in Mora. And also bought some snacks, Snickers for tomorrow morning. Breakfast, Snickers breakfast. Red Bull and some candy for tonight. That's gonna be nice. And good, Hans' wife also gave me some cake to bring with me. So I have a lot to party on tonight. We'll travel a little bit northwest to Österdalälven. There might be a wind shelter there, so see if it's possible to stay there during night. Feels like a good night to sleep outside. It's so warm as well. Ursäkta, är Oxberg det är fortfarande rakt av va? Ja men perfekt, tack! It will be a little bit hard to drive in there. But there is a little space maybe. That was such a stupid idea. I have to wait to someone who can help me, I think. It's not that crowded here though. But yeah, heavy bike. Oh, back on the road. People help me. Awesome. Thanks a lot. So I drove to Österdalälven. There's a camping spot here, so I think I would pitch my tent here instead and see how weather and everything turns out to be tomorrow. Pretty nice area though, and the water. So most things, sleeping things are on place, so then I can relax a little bit now, take it a little bit easy. That feels good. And listen to this. Swedish can do. Clock is soon 5. It's pretty dark outside now, so but too early to go to bed, so I can drink a Red Bull, right? So I decided to start recording the real movie here. It's a nice spot as well, even though it's a camping. But yeah, started with some cooking scenes, typical camping, or not cooking, just boiling water, and eating and stars. But fun to pick up the big camera and to try to do something more beautiful in a way. This is more of a vlog, right? So it can be like this. A big flush in the camera. I guess you can't see a shit. Okay, so I've been recording the first scene, I think, for the movie. That feels good. Now I've started, and I have eaten kebab, something, dry food, and yeah, the tent is prepped and clock is not that much, so now I'm just gonna chill, I think. It's starting to be a little bit colder, but can't say that this is cold. Yeah, first day of real winter driving. Perfect. Soon about to snow, I think. Time to jump in and have a sleep. So, almost inside of the sleeping bag, and my pillow is upside down. Good night.